Hook, what if you could add an extra layer of security to your driving without breaking the bank? The Nextbase IQ rear window dash camera promises just that, offering top-tier features like 1440p resolution, smart parking alerts, and even AI-driven road safety enhancements. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. Quick intro. Welcome back to Autovated, your go-to place for all things automotive. Today, we're reviewing the Nextbase IQ rear window dash camera, a high-resolution, AI-powered rear-view dash cam designed to keep you safe, connected, and in control. Is it the best choice for your ride? Let's find out. Product overview. The Nextbase IQ rear window dash camera delivers crisp 440p resolution, ensuring that you capture every detail on the road, from license plates to road signs. With a wide 140-degree viewing angle, it expands the view and adds more coverage to your rear view. Designed for ultimate convenience, it integrates with the IQ app, which uses spatial awareness and AI to notify you of potential threats around your vehicle. This product aims to provide peace of mind with features like Smart Sense Parking for instant threat alerts, Guardian Mode to set speed and location limits, and Witness Mode to send live footage in emergencies. If you're concerned about rear-end accidents or just want that extra layer of security, this dash cam is built with you in mind. Key features. First, let's talk about the 1440p resolution. This dash cam records in Quad HD, providing crystal clear video footage that can capture crucial details like license plates and road signs, which could be vital if you ever need to provide evidence. Next, Smart Sense Parking offers an added layer of protection. Using proximity sensors and AI, it monitors your surroundings for movement and can alert you to potential threats. It's like having a virtual security guard for your car. Then, there's Guardian Mode, which lets you set speed and location limits and notifies you if the vehicle exceeds them. This is great for monitoring your car when you've lent it out to someone, like a valet or your kids. Finally, Witness Mode offers a unique twist. When you're feeling unsafe, you can activate Witness Mode, which locks onto the incident and sends live footage to a trusted contact. This feature could be a game changer in a dangerous situation. Real-world testing and usage experience. In terms of ease of use, I found setting up the Nextbase IQ to be pretty straightforward, especially when paired with the IQ app. The app's interface is user-friendly and made monitoring the camera feed from my phone seamless. I tested the Smart Sense Parking while parked in a busy lot, and it alerted me when someone got a little too close for comfort, which was a nice touch. On the road, the 140-degree wide-angle lens provided great coverage, ensuring I didn't miss anything in the rear view. The footage was clear, and the camera didn't miss any important details during both day and night. Pros and cons. Pros. High resolution, the 1440p clarity makes a noticeable difference in video quality compared to lower resolution models. AI-powered features, Smart Sense Parking and Witness Mode provide an extra layer of security. User-friendly app. The IQ app is intuitive and makes managing the camera settings a breeze. Guardian Mode, perfect for monitoring others driving your vehicle, like teens or valets. Cons. Price. At a premium, this camera might not be the best option for budget-conscious buyers. Limited storage. The camera's storage can fill up quickly if you're recording frequently, requiring constant management. Witness Mode's reliance on network. For Witness Mode to work effectively, you need a strong data connection, which could be a challenge in remote areas. Value for money. While the Nextbase IQ comes at a higher price point, it delivers excellent quality and advanced features, making it worth the investment for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's safety system. For those who prioritize cutting-edge security and AI-driven alerts, this is a solid choice. Comparison. Compared to the Blackview DR750X2CH, which offers a similar resolution but lacks the advanced AI features of the Nextbase IQ, the Nextbase camera stands out with its proactive safety features like Smart Sense Parking and Witness Mode. While the Blackview might be a better choice for those looking for simple, reliable dashcam footage, the IQ's added security features give it an edge for tech-savvy drivers. Midway call to action. If this breakdown is giving you a clearer picture of the Nextbase IQ, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Autovated, and tap the bell icon to stay in the loop on the latest in automotive tech and gear. Build quality and longevity. The Nextbase IQ feels solid and well built. With high-quality materials that are designed to withstand heat and cold, it should last long-term. The brand is known for its reliable products, and while no long-term reliability data is available yet, the high-quality construction and customer feedback suggest that it should stand the test of time. Customer support. While I haven't personally needed to reach out for support, Nextbase has a reputation for providing solid customer service. They are known for being responsive, which is reassuring in case any issues arise down the line. Who it's for. This dash cam is perfect for anyone who's looking for high-tech, proactive vehicle security. It's ideal for parents monitoring young drivers, people who often leave their cars with valets, or anyone who wants that extra peace of mind when parking or driving. Conclusion. Strong option. If you value advanced safety features and AI-driven protection, the Nextbase IQ rear window dash camera is one of the best options in its class. Final CTA. Thanks for watching this breakdown. If you want to check out the Nextbase IQ, links can be found in the comments and description below. Got thoughts or questions about the product? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Goodbye till next time, and remember, stay autovated.